Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Mason with Results Roofing. I'm here with Richard Fuller at his beautiful property today. We're getting him taken care of. I just wanted him to have the opportunity to tell you why he chose us and not another contractor in the area.
I just like your approach. You know, very professional. You did what you said you were going to do. And most people don't. So it's easy to separate the good guys from the bad.
Right.
And what I've seen of your company, it seems to have its act together. You know, at least so far, the roof hasn't blown off. But I'm impressed with what I see. I've had my own business and I know what it takes to make it happen. And I think you've got it together.
Yes, sir. Seriously, thank you for giving me the opportunity to take care of your home.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir. My name is Mason, 817-506-1769. If you need any help in the area, please give me a call. Thank y'all so much.